Create delicious churros with precision and ease using Avantco Churro stuffers. These units come in various sizes and feature a vertical design to save counter space. Their durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity and easy cleaning. The large rubber feet and a heavy base prevent any unwanted rocking during use. Manual units have enclosed steel gears with 2 speed options. The pressure release valve helps control the product's consistency. Electric units include a motor for increased efficiency. They have a variable speed control so that you can adjust the settings based on the texture and thickness of your churro mixture. Plus, they offer a foot pedal to operate the unit with or without a handle. Each churro stuffer comes with 3 different sized non-hollow churro tubes and a hollow churro tube to create a variety of churro shapes and sizes. These units range from 7 pounds to 30 pounds in capacity. Make the production process even easier with Avantco Churro stuffers.